Today we're going to explore F5 TTS, an amazing, free, unlimited open source alternative to Elevenlabs. Unlike some commercial text-to-speech services, F5 TTS offers the flexibility to generate high-quality speech without any restrictions on usage. Whether you're looking for an offline solution or a tool that can help with a variety of text-to-speech tasks, F5 TTS stands out as a reliable choice. It's perfect for those who want to integrate text-to-speech capabilities into their projects or presentations without worrying about subscription fees or usage limits. Let's dive in and see how it works. F5 TTS is a cutting-edge text-to-speech system that turns written text into natural, human-like speech. It's designed to sound clear, professional, and expressive, making it perfect for presentations, videos, or learning tools. With its ability to adjust tone, pacing, and emotion, F5 TTS helps make communication more engaging and accessible for everyone. In Confia, you can install F5 TTS by going to the manager. Once there, search for F5 TTS and select the one with the green checkmark. If the system is already installed, you will only see the update option. Now, let's go back to the workflow window and load the node. First, drag out the sample audio socket and add a load audio node. Next, drag out the audio socket output and add an audio preview node. I have already loaded a sample called American Female Voice, which represents my voice. Now, let's click Q to begin the process. 以面的是是我还want to say, feminine source. At this point, we get an unknown language or garbled audio. This happens because in the sample text box, we need to enter transcription. By default, it says text of sample audio. We will remove this placeholder text and leave the box blank. Now, let's generate the audio again and listen to the voice. This is what I want to say. This is a beautiful day. This time we get a perfect text to audio speech. We can also generate a few more seeds and listen to the variations. This is what I want to say. This is a beautiful day. Notice how the speech sometimes sounds as if it doesn't fully complete the sentence. This occurs because we didn't include a full stop at the end. Now, let's add a full stop and generate the audio once more. This is what I want to say. This is a beautiful day. This time, the speech sounds perfect and natural. If you don't want to install Confia, there's another option. You can check the main repository and install the source version, which comes with a Gradio app. This app provides a web interface where you can load a sample, type in the text, and click Synthesize to generate the audio. Finally, let's listen to the rendered audio. Hello, this is a beautiful day. You can also use the free online version. However, it has a long queue, and sometimes it makes me wait for about an hour. The best option is to run it in local offline mode, where you can generate audio unlimitedly anytime you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.